welcome to Petrol Ped.
And welcome to this week's Midweek 180.
With guest presenter Steph, ABTV.
Hello.
Well, this week I'm on a press trip with Mini UK and I've got a really tight schedule, so we were having a chat over a beer last night. So let's do the Midweek 180 in the car on the way back to Calais. So we're actually in the new Mini Clubman exclusive.
Exactly.
Very nice it is too. I particularly like these Union flag motifs in the headrests.
Do you know what? I've just noticed that.
It's very cool.
They look very cool, yeah.
So if you've not seen one of these before, this is my midweek update where I bring you my news, views and information about upcoming reviews, all filmed in one take. Never having been filmed in a car driving down the motorway before. I'm going to put 180 seconds in the bottom left-hand corner of your screen, around about here on Steph. And that's it, a very simple format. So, without further ado, let's get cracking with this week's Midweek 180. I shall start my time. Okay, leader of the pack last week was the Noisy Man X. Congratulations, sir. Joined in the famous five by Ray Brock, the Speed Machine 35, Jamie Smith, and Kevy 427. So, whoever puts the first comment this week, you will be my leader of the pack next week. And the first 5 comments, you will be in my famous 5. Where are you and what you're doing? I have quite a few of these, bear with me. Chris Bateman was in Avignon, say hello to my mountain, Mont Ventoux. Chris Emptage was in Helsinki on business, and I have to give a big shout out to the 2nd Battalion, the Royal Irish Regiment, on exercise in South Africa, with big mentions for Jambo and Janie, apparently. And also Get Well, Jeff Harris and Rodney Betts, both guys had surgery, minor surgery last week. You're not feeling great, so us peddlers wish you all the best for a speedy recovery. Last week's question was what your best or most frustrating MOT failure was. There were some brilliant ones, but I particularly like Andrew Watt, who failed his MOT because his side repeaters on his windscreen, on his wing mirrors, were flashing too quickly.
No.
No. And this week's question is set by Steph.
Well, I thought, seeing as we've been on a little bit of a road trip, what's been your best road trip? Brilliant.
There you go. In the comments below, your best road trip. Now, new car news, Frankfurt Motor Show last week, had to be the Porsche Taycan, mate. So what I don't understand, we were just having a chat, the 2 trim levels, Turbo and Turbo S, in an electric car. Not sure I agree with that, but mega figures. So the Turbo, 671 bhp with 850 newton meters, 0 to 63.2 seconds. But the Turbo S, 750 bhp, 1050 newton meters, and 0 to 60 in 2.6 seconds. That thing's gonna fly.
It's relentless, isn't it?
That's nuts. Both limited to 161 miles an hour. They have a 93.4 kilowatt hour lithium ion battery with 279 miles of range, apparently. Not if you're driving it like
spiritedly.
That, no. If you had a 270 kilowatt charger, which is unlikely, you could get 5% to 80% charge in 23 minutes.
Let's get going.
On a 50 kilowatt charger, you could do that in 93 minutes, which is bad. And if you had a home charger, it'd be about 9 hours, plug it in overnight, and you wake up in the morning with a full charge. 115 grand for the Turbo and 139 grand for the Turbo S, and I bet if you tick some boxes in the options list, it would go up from there. I know, it's quite a lot of money, actually. But wicked looking car.
It is.
I will be on the blower to Porsche UK to try and get access to one.
You and me both.
Exactly. Yeah, maybe we should do it together. Yeah. And then this Friday's video at 6. Well, we'll be starring this gentleman because it's going to be the JCW Clubman, which we drove yesterday. 306 brake, 450 newton meters, 0 to 64.9 seconds. Absolutely mega car.
Yeah, you'll enjoy that video.
Spent all day filming that yesterday, so that will be hitting the channel, and there we go. That is it.
I thought for a moment there was something wrong with the car. What's that noise?
So you have to tune in on Friday at 6. If you haven't done so already and watched Monday night's video, Monday night was filmed with my mate Martin, who took me round the Festival of Speed rally stage in his Metro 6R4. He was racing his Bentley blower at Revival, and mega race, 1930 Bentley blower. So you need to make sure you check that one out. But that's it. The end of the first Midweek 180, filmed in a car.
On the move.
On the move.
There you go.
We are on our way back to Calais, and then from Calais through the tunnel to Ashford to drop this car off after an amazing couple of days with Mini UK. But yeah,
really good.
I shall sign off there. Anyway, guys, I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have done so, please give me a thumbs up. Comments below are always welcome, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to Petrol Pet for plenty more content to come. And I'll see you on the next film, guys, which is this Friday at 6 for the new Mini JCW Clubman. Tune in. You got it. It's epic. And he's on it too.
Yeah.
See you on the next film, guys. You take care. Drive safe.